What's up everybody? In this video we're going to take a look at this outfit here, why it's good for summer and little kids.
Not only does it come in different colors when Messi was playing, but you can also choose from different player names like Ronaldo, Bellingham, Vini Jr., and of course Messi. So they're all made from fully breathable material and they're super lightweight.
Stay tuned for the whole video.
So the sports kit includes a jersey, shorts, and socks. They're all made from fully breathable material and they're super lightweight, so if you have a kid who likes to engage in soccer, this is a perfect uniform for them. Because of the material, you can have your kid wear this during a warm, hot summer day and you're going to be feeling very light and cool with this material. The shirt is available in different sizes. Not only does it come in different colors, but you can also choose from different player names. So as you can see, my little guy here looks completely comfortable in his kit. He's not sweating at all during his activities, and we even send him to daycare in this jersey, which makes this kit super ideal for having fun and just wearing it on the daily.
It's gonna grow into it, but it looks pretty good. Yeah? What do you think? You like it? Gonna play soccer now?
So that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Kick the ball. Kick the ball.
No more. It's okay. No, it's okay.
Kick it.
Okay.
Kick the ball.
Kick the ball.
Kick the ball.
Kick.
Don't clean the ball. Kick the ball. He's very concerned with the cleanliness of the ball before he attempts to score. Ready?